Hi, welcome to Covet House. Here we try to recreate a store where you can place our brands and our pieces of furniture, lighting, rugs, and even hardware. As you can see, we can mix and match the different styles in the same room, so we offer a wide range of products. If you are looking for a nature-inspired ambience, this is a perfect brand for you. So please have and take some ideas from this space. With this office, we try to recreate a luxurious ambience and show our new brand Podcast with those organic and earthy inspired shapes, even some jewellery with quartz and Swarovski crystals, or this modern line. Moving on to our living room, you can find this perfect mix between Brabbu and Boca do Lobo, where you see this traditional design mixed with some contemporary lines. We want to open Covet stores all over the world, so if you are planning to have a showroom and include our pieces, this is the best place where you can get some inspiration. So feel free to come to All 8 C103 and visit us.